How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly set up your Bluehost email for Microsoft Outlook. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that we're giving away 75% off your very first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So if you guys want to learn more about that, be sure to check out that link as it greatly supports the channel. Now back to the video. So, to actually do this is quite simple, and I'll be walking you guys through the steps on how you can do it properly. So, the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into your Bluehost account and make sure that you're logged in as an administrator. Next, you want to open Microsoft Outlook. So, launch Microsoft Outlook. It doesn't matter what version you guys are on, as they're all supported by domain hosting sites like Bluehost. So from there on out, this window should pop up. So simply log in, follow the on-screen instructions, and then there should be an added option that says, let me set up my account manually. So you want to make sure that this one is ticked, as it gives you more login options, and this will actually allow you to connect with your Bluehost account. So make sure this is checked, click on connect, and then this new window would pop up. So from here, you want to click on POP and IMAP and hit next. And it reads here that you need to refer to the email client settings below before, and based on your preferences, enter the respective host names, port numbers, and encryption methods for the incoming mail and outgoing mail servers. So if you guys were going to use the POP method, then obviously you enter the domain name or the URL, and then use this port right here. It has to be 995. And if you use IMAP, then use 993. Now moving on, you would want to set up your account here. So select the right kind of server for incoming mail and outgoing mail, as well as the corresponding ports, as well as the encryption methods. So as you can see here. And then when you click on next, it'll ask for the password that's tied to your Bluehost account. So just enter it, hit connect, and then let Microsoft Outlook do its magic, and then once you're done with that, congratulations. You've successfully connected your Bluehost account or Bluehost email with Microsoft Outlook. So just hit done, and now you can send and receive emails from your email client, which is pretty cool. So right before we end the video here, I just want to quickly remind you guys that you can still get 75% off your very first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So with all of that said, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.